And we do apologize for the absence of that clip. Now to other news. Amid concerns about the behavior of some students on the rural school buses, the government says it will be seeking the help of school resource officers to assist. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz has also revealed that the electronic fare system will be rolled out next week. Alia Bryant has the details.
The buses are very, very popular, which you would expect.
Transport Minister Darrell Vaz providing an update on the rural school bus system at a media briefing on Friday. The minister's comments come a month after the official rollout of the program. While acknowledging that there have been challenges, Minister Vaz explained that the team has been able to address the issues when they arise. Students using the buses have been able to do so free of cost since September. That's expected to continue until the end of this month. Minister Vaz confirmed that the electronic fare system has been completed and testing will begin on October 13.
All students who have already registered or in receipt of their student transport cards are encouraged to begin using the cards. No charge will be applied in the next 2 weeks. So it's good to use them to make sure they're working and obviously understand how they work, etc., etc. So I'm encouraging all parents and students to check with your school, check with JUTC's website, social media to see how do you go about getting your card.
The rural school bus system was designed to, among other things, provide a safe mode of transportation for children. But there have been concerns about the behavior of some students using the buses. It's why stakeholders have all agreed that the school resource officers will be asked to assist should the need arise. Richard Troop is Director of Safety and Security in the Education Ministry.
Where there are cases that will require the intervention of our school resource officers, that will be done. We have cases in this phase where the students' behavior is a cause for concern. Those matters would have been brought to our attention and it is communicated to the schools, and the schools would have intervened in terms of the students involved. It is going to require that kind of collaboration to ensure that we establish not just a program, but a program that demands a particular standard.
Mr. Troop added that it's critical for the program to be monitored and maintained.
It's early time yet. But we believe that we have put the infrastructure in place. So I also say to the general public, you must monitor too. You must monitor what obtains on our buses. Our parents, you must remind our children, the students, of their role of being well-behaved on the units.
Alia Bryant, TVJ News.